Alright, we're back. It's all nice and clean, honed out now. Definitely had some burrs in that one there, whichever one it was. I'm not sure which side it was, but one of them. So let's check them before we put it back together. There's something wrong with this one. It kind of goes through like it's supposed to now. I don't know what happened. I don't know. There's something wrong with this one. Appears to be defective.
Beautiful.
I don't know what happened to S&S's quality, but that sucked. That was not up to their standard. It must be their new standard. You get this thing blown way up for some reason. There we go. So now we get to redo all of this again. Were you satisfied with the other one there? It was went up and down.
Yeah.
You liked it? You liked it? Okay. And that's kind of disappointing there. You're not gonna put that on Instagram. This no sucks, are you? Okay, good. You might not send me these junk parts anymore if I do stuff like that.
Inside that little cam hole real quick.
This was my problem. I dropped it. That's why it was a problem. Should I put the gasket in this or just put it without the gasket?
Run it.
Look at that. Like it's made for it. They appear to go up and down like they're supposed to. It's obviously a defective part. Okay, I got a new wrench I want to use. Where is my socket? There it is. My socket. It works on these little skinny bolts.
Where'd you have that one? I was looking for it.
It's buried behind the other tall one right in front of it. I want to use it right here. There you go. Look at that combo. Speed wrench. Look at that. Look, those don't fit very well. There it goes. Got some burrs on that too. Jeez. Nothing seems to want to fit together here. See, it acts like it's crossing and it goes in loose. So you don't like my tool I use?
I do. Friggin' love T-handles.
No, my
I got the same setup.
No, my alignment tool. Put it right in the middle. No special tool needed. But I got a lot of these. You want to buy them? I got like 60 of them. Want to buy one? The other really good guy did put 4 in there. These screws go in, they go in tight. It goes in tight, 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 tight. Cross right in, that gets loose.
What size is that?
I think it's 1/4 inch.
I think it's smaller than that.
Tight, tight, and loose.
One of those had a burr I didn't clean up on the case. Grab a hammer and just smack it before you tighten those bolts down. Grab a leather mallet.
You just break it off?
I'll just seat it real good.
Like that.
Brass hammer.
20-pound lead one?
They're breaking into my truck.
Yeah, sure they are. Why's the door open?
How fast should this motor go?
Oh, here, you break it. My hand hurts.
Is this a snap-on T-handle?
No,
SK?
no. Japanese.
Japo.
Maybe over there. Koken. It's expensive too.
I bet it feels nice.
It makes SS see like cheap parts. If you get a really good squeeze, it'll probably snap them both off.
Yeah. Trust and believe. You know this engine ain't gonna have an easy life.
I don't know. Have to go in 5 times. Is the motor turn over?
Where was the star hidden? The 12 point?
In the toolbox where it belongs.
Oh, I know that.
Oh, you locked the motor up. He locked the motor up. You see that? Locked that sucker clean up. I can see those lifters going up and down. The lifters should go up and down on their own. If you turn the motor the other way, it might work better for you. You're going backwards. You go forward. So you want to know what the name of that tool was? It's right there. It says so on it. What size is that 1/4 inch?
Yeah, 1/4 inch, 12 point.
That 1/4 inch, 12 points, 1/4 inch? Oh, okay, good. At least I got it right.
Nice little unit right there.
I wanted to make sure I wasn't wrong. And 1/4 inch, 12 point.
I'll have to look
Deep
for
well.
those.
Full deep too, it goes on pretty good. It goes in about this far. It's one of the fake ones. Holds the screw better though. Right back there behind that big ass one, we couldn't see it.
Ah. Do that for any reason in particular, maybe?
Nope, it's just how that got in there. Those tools have been mixed up so many times. People have always up there figure fucking them things, knocking them all down, like you leaning on the box, knocking every tool off. Kevin, you need a little bit of magic goop on the end of that. Up,
Really?
Oh.
Great.
up. No, 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 no,
Man, I don't
no, no.
know what.
You're making a mess. Just put your fingertip on top of the brush and take one little speck of it out. That's all you need. That is enough to do 3 of those. Now you do a little bit around the bottom. Wipe off the excess on the inside because we don't want it in the motor. Put the rest back in the container that you're not using.
No, you don't.
Don't put that where the bolt goes. It goes in a different spot. There's no oil pressure in the motor mount bolt. Unless you have a really big oil leak.
Yeah, you're in bad shape if that's what's going on.
You gotta wipe your hands off. You make putting the goo on everything. Close my container, put it back where it goes. You can go back there and find the socket. You got the special sockets back there for doing them. There you go. You know how I know it's the right one? It's been shaved.
Oh, it has.
It used to be this thick. Now it's this thick. Because now it clears the lifter block.
Modified to clear the lifter block.
It still hits the lifter block, but it's closer. Grab your little tall T-handle, probably best.
Like that one. I do like this tool.
I would unscrew the thing a little bit and get it in there. But there you go. Now you can go down. I didn't want to cut it any thinner because it's so thin. I don't split the case.
It's pipe
That's good.
thread,
That's good.
so it doesn't have to.
Well, you split this case right down the side.
Yeah, that is a close cut right there, isn't it?
Yes, they didn't put a lot of metal in there. Okay, I think that completes the lower end assembly procedure. Something's missing though, I'm sure. So if you get that far along, you're doing the lower end.
I'm missing this hardware.
That
We
comes
used to have all that.
Yeah, I have those in there. Okay, so now we need an engine stand. You want a bench mounted one, or you want a workbench mounted one? Huh? Doesn't matter to you? You just do it on the bench like that too if you want.
Want to throw a quick hone on these?
Not really. So you're going to mount your stand to your holes right here, or you got to put them on top of that? What do you want to do?
Let's put them on top of that.
You want to move all this crap out of the way?
No.
What about all that crap on the floor that would be in the way too?
No.
What about that Indian would be in the way?
Yes. That Indian goes in the dumpster out
Front
front.
of the dumpster, okay.
God, that's a good look.
Okay, let's go this direction, get some tools. You go to the bathroom. You go up. Head to the bathroom.
Where's the bathroom?
Up there in the corner.
The bathroom?
Doesn't work, but it's a bathroom. Okay, which one do you want to use? You want the Harley frame section, or you want the actual motor stand? You didn't get up there all the way yet. What are you doing? What's wrong? The stairway's closed up for you?
Where am I at?
Right here. The one on your right. The one on your right.
Far right.
Yeah, that's Evo. Otherwise you got to pull the two Harley frames out there. That might be easier. We got the orange one over here too if you got a 45 or a knucklehead. Is this a 45 or a knucklehead?
Nope.
Okay, no flathead stuff? Okay.
You mean a real motorcycle?
Yeah, that's for real bikes, so that's different. 200 thou, different offset. You having problems walking over there? Don't flip my old tray over.
Yeah, these old knees.
Got bolts in there? How'd that happen? You know why there's bolts in there? Because nobody's borrowed my stand yet and stole them.
Somebody was dunking ahead.
Yeah, they like to steal my 9 bolts. And I tell them, don't steal my fucking 9 bolts. And every time they come back, no bolts. So I got smart. I quit putting the right length in there for a frame. They're a little bit short. They'll still steal them a little bit. So these are eBay special stands. Alright, slam that sucker up on there. The tall part's the back, in case you didn't know. He doesn't know.
Oh, I know.
You sure?
You've got mine around here somewhere.
Nope. Probably burying them out into all your other crap. Here, put that in the back where they belong. Mine went in.
cam pretty snotty.
Snotty cam. The one in the Indian's bigger.
Oh, I'm sure it is. But I hope I got enough fucking clearance on that bitch.
Alright, 2 bolts are in. That's all that really matters.
You want these ones?
Yeah, they're hard to get in there, but you can reach in there, go for it.
Hard if you're fucking lame.
With a broken thumb, yeah. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Didn't fall over yet. Why is that one digging into the table so hard? Look at it doing on my workbench. We gotta work on that. There's something wrong with that brand new stand I bought. It's not made
How much was
correctly.
that? That was eBay?
Yeah. Oh, that's terrible. You hear that dragon marks?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that burr on that sucker. Look at that son of a bitch. There's a burr on there.
Lose it? You didn't put it back? Huh? Huh? Okay, what don't I need that I can fucking drag out of here? Oil pumps?
There's a lot of stuff.
Oil pumps and old cams, right? Cam covers.
Terrible, they don't make this stuff right.
I think I'm fucked.
Could be. It's the first time you use it, you gotta modify all your tools. Let's see if it fits. Slides correctly now, look at that. Of course, now the workbench is all torn up. Birds off the workbench. Alright. Should be good to go. What's all that noise out there? What's all that noise out there?
So does that guy ever call you that built the FXR over here a couple years back?
I don't know, a couple years, I don't know who that was, 2 years ago. Okay, so now we got them. Look at that, it doesn't tear up my workbench anymore. See, that's why I got the one that has the big flat bottom on it. Slides nice and easy. The one that has those feet on there, they dig in real heavy. This one dug in real heavy too because that big burr on it. Alright, so I like that. Now it doesn't tear up my workbench. Alright, there we go. We gotta find some parts to continue. Let me put some sealer right there. You can see. Alright, be back.